Hello everyone. My name is Sudhanshu Bajaj and I'm Managing Director of Scholars Education Group, which runs Scholars Academy in Delhi. We are an IIT JEE Medical Coaching Institute and running from last 15 years. We've been effectively using the platform of Proctor from last 2 years and are widely satisfied with their services. The one thing which really I would like to appreciate over here is that Proctor, this kind of service and the response from the service team is very good, is highly appreciable, because there are many queries when you're running an institution, when you're organizing up a test, when you're organizing up an event. There are multiple customizations which you may look forward, but the team at Proctor has never ever said a no to any of our requests. Yes, they could have taken time, but the answer from their side is also always a confirmative yes, and that had really helped us to scale our operations during this COVID time. Like, during this COVID time, there was a lot of problems and challenges while delivering our quality of tests and lectures effectively. But using this platform, we have been effectively able to scale up and reach up to masses all across the country. So my advice is that this is one of those platforms which I would particularly suggest, recommend, and would use for coming next few years. So those who want to have a very wonderful institution management software which has all the facilities ranging from accounts, because one account is a very important thing that has been very clearly mentioned over there, accounts, to student management, to inquiry management, and to test management and class delivery. There is no substitute to Proctor. You don't have to run here and there using multiple services in one roof, in one umbrella, in one application. There is everything which is being covered. So my suggestions is there. You must try their services, and kudos to the team. Thank you.